Sairam children, today we are going to do maths. In maths we are going to practice some questions of chapter 1st and chapter 2nd. Chapter 1st, where to look from, and chapter 2nd, fun with numbers. So children, come back to our chapter. Children, this is your workbook. Okay, today we are going to do questions from workbook of maths. Chapter 1st, where to look from. Now children, let's start with our chapter. Given below are the pictures. Few objects. Classify them based on top view, side view and front view. So children, you have to classify the pictures on the basis of top view, side view and front view. So children, for television, what is your view? Yes, this is your front view. This is your front view. Children, you will write full answer on this line. Front view. Okay. Next, girl. Girl is standing. So what is the view if you are watching like this? This is your side view. This is your side view. Cake. For cake, your view is top view. When you look to the cake, you look from the top. Okay children. Book. For a book, we are having a view from, if we are watching in this book, it is from side view. Okay children. But when we are watching book, it is kept on the table, then the view is top view. So from our book, according to our book, the picture is, it is our side view. Okay. Now for the sleeper, home sleeper, the view is top. The view is top. Now children, for the clock, yes, very good. That is front view. When you look to the wall is hanging in front of you, so the view is front view. Okay children. Now come to next page. Draw top view, side view and front view. You have to draw one object in this box. Top view, side view and front view. You will draw one object of each view and you will write under the object which view you have drawn. Like top view object you have drawn, side view object you have drawn or front view. Okay, what object you will draw, then you will write under the object. For example children, in our book we did some object that we classify them. Okay, on page number 2 you can have a view in your book and you can watch that you have a view of staircase. Okay, that is your front view. We have written front view. Some pictures were there, so we have written front view, side view and top view. So children, In staircase, we have written, yes, absolutely correct, that we have written front view. Okay. And in chair, when we saw chair in our object in that question, the view is side view. Okay children. And pencil top also is there, so in that view is top view. So children, you can draw that 3 pictures from your book only, and you will write under it what view of the picture is, or you can draw any other object and you can write under that object what view is it. Understood children? So this you will do homework, and you will draw pictures from book also, or you can draw easily. Now third question, I use, in this 2 parts are there, use the dots to draw beautiful patterns. In this you have to draw beautiful patterns. An example has been done. Yes, an example has been done for you. You can draw any pattern. Okay, I told you several patterns. Okay children, so you can draw any pattern. For example, you can draw column patterns. Okay children, or we did several patterns, like you can join these dots. For example, you join these dots, and what we did this type of pattern in our book, page number 4. Or you can draw, or what you can draw children, you can draw zigzag pattern. What I told you before also, I told you zigzag pattern you can draw. Okay, you have to join the dots. Or you can draw children like this pattern. So you can draw certain patterns that we did in our book also previous. So these question basically for your practice. So you can draw any pattern, okay, by using these dots. Now children, come to our next question. Now complete these figures to make different shapes, such as you have to complete the figures to make different shapes such as rectangles, triangles, and what else, semicircles, pentagon. So children, we did this type of question also in our book on page number 5. Okay, question number 3 we did. So children, you can draw square here by joining these dots. You can draw rectangle by joining these dots. You can draw pentagon by joining these dots. What is pentagon? A pentagon is a shape which has 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay children. Or you can draw a semicircle. Understood children? Like this you will draw different shapes here. Understood? Now you can draw triangle. You can draw triangle here. Okay. Now children, you will draw different shapes here. Understood? Now come to next question. Take the picture which are divided into 2 equal mirror halves dotted line. What you have to do? You have to take the picture which are divided into two equal mirror half. Now children, you have to take the picture which is two equal mirror half. Okay children? So, can you recognize? Yes, you can recognize. Clock, yes, it is mirror half. Glass, it is a mirror half. Yes. Umbrella is mirror half. This is not. Z is not. Comb we did, but that is single line comb we did mirror half. Okay, that is equal mirror half. This is different shape comb, so it is not mirror half. 3 is your mirror half. Aeroplane is not your mirror half. Elephant is your 2 equal mirror half. Now children, like this, you will do this question. In this, you have to draw dotted line. In that, you tick which picture is your two similar mirror half. But in this, you have to draw a dotted line and you have to divide the following pictures into two equal mirror halves. So children, for example, one I will do for you, rest you will do like your star. I did. This is your two equal mirror half. Like for your shirt, mirror half. Rest you will recognize and you will use dotted line, because if I will use, you would not be able to see properly, so you use only dotted line to divide the picture. Understood children? Now use the dots to draw the following. In this, you have to use these dots and you have to draw a pictures children. Earlier also we did. In this, you have to draw 4 pictures like bottle, book, leaf and balloon, but you have to draw with the help of these dots. For example, if we want to draw a leaf, okay children, so you will use only dots, then only you will use these pictures on these dots. Okay children, leaf I draw. Rest you can draw like you can draw balloon. Okay children, like this you can draw a balloon or book or bottle. Understood? So draw neatly with the help of using these dots. Now come to next children. Complete the letters similar half. Now you have to complete the letters using similar half. Now you can recognize what first letter is this. Yes, you are correct. It is H. Next is B. You will complete properly, okay? Next, this is S. H, B, S. Okay children, next this is O, this is U, this is W, this is not V, this is W. Okay children, U and O. Like this, you will complete your pictures, you will complete your letters and do very neatly. Okay, children? Now come to next. In this, complete the following pictures by making similar half. In this, you have to draw a picture. Previous, what we did? We draw letters. What we draw, children? We draw letters. But here we have to draw similar half pictures. Like this is your Diya. You will draw this. Half is drawn for you. Half here you have to draw same. Okay, children? Now this is your pencil. Same you will draw here. This is your fish. Same you will draw half here. Understood? And this is your leaf. So you can draw leaf half here. Understood? Same you have to draw. What? Here it is drawn half. So same you have to draw other side. Understood? I hope you understood properly and you do complete your work properly. Okay, children? Now, so children, chapter number 2, fun with numbers. Your first question. The garden had mango, apple, guava, banana and pear tree. Arpita went to garden and plucked fruits from the trees. So children, in this is a garden and Arpita went to garden and she plucked some of the fruits from the garden. So children, question number first part, dash tree has minimum number of fruits. So children, this is our mango tree, this is our apple tree, okay, and this is our guava tree, this is our banana tree, and children, this is our pear tree. So children, there are 5 trees in the garden and we are having 5 fruits. Okay, so children, now we have to recognize what numbers of fruits are on the trees. Like for example, children, on mango tree it is 17, on apple tree it is 25, on guava tree it is 24, on banana tree it is 23, and on pear tree it is 30. So children, you have to tell that which tree has minimum number of fruits. So children, in this minimum number of fruits, mango tree is having. So you will write here, mango tree has minimum number of fruits. Next, mango tree has minimum fruits less than apple tree. So children, what I told you, mango tree is having 17 and apple tree is having 25. So children, in this you have to do apple tree, number of fruits of apple tree minus number of fruits mango tree, you will minus, you will get how many fruits less than mango tree is having. So children, if we minus 25 minus 17, that will 8. So mango tree has 8 fruit less than apple tree. Okay children. Next, pear tree has dash fruits more than banana tree. Now banana tree is having 23, okay, and pear tree is having 30. So children, now they are asking how many more fruits are there on pear tree than banana tree. So children, 30 minus 23, it will come 7. So our answer is 7. So pear tree has 7 fruits more than banana tree. Next, dash tree has maximum number of fruits. Which tree has maximum number of fruits? That is pear tree. Minimum number of fruits, mango tree is having. Maximum number of fruits, that is, yes, very good, pear tree has maximum number of fruits. Now next, how many trees have more than 25 fruits? Now can you see how many trees have more than 25 number of fruits? That is only one tree. That is only one. So we will write only one tree, because rest of the tree is having less than, okay, you can see 24, 23, 17, and it is 25, and he was asking more than 25. So only one tree is having more than 25 fruits. Now children, next, apple tree needs more fruits to have 70 fruits. Now apple tree is having, yes, 25, very good. 70 minus 25, that is, very good, correct, it is 45. So children, apple tree needs 45 more fruits to have 70 fruits. You can have a guess, like 70 minus 25, it will come 45. So if apple tree, how much he needs? 45 more fruits to have number of fruits 70, it will become. So number of fruits apple is having 25, okay, if he needs 45 more, so it will become 70. So he needs 45 more fruits to have 70 fruits. Okay children, I hope you understand properly and you do complete this properly. Rest we will continue in our next class. So children, till then you do complete this, okay, and rest of the chapter we will continue in our next class. Till then, bye children.